Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Are you tired of manually applying patches on JBoss server? Do you spend hours applying update only to face an issue? In this video, I will show you how to fully automate JBoss patching using Jenkins. My name is Rajan and I create tutorials on DevOps, automation, Terraform, Jenkins. In this tutorial, we will go step by step through installing a JBoss from scratch, applying a patch manually, and automating the entire patching process using Jenkins. Restarting the JBoss automatically and verifying the patch. Whether you are beginner and experienced DevOps engineer, this video will help you to improve your automation skills. Stay with me until the end. And if you find this helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. Before we begin, there are few prerequisites you need to follow. First of all, Jenkins should be installed on your system and you should have basic Jenkins pipeline knowledge so that you can create a script and automate the task. Let's proceed with step 1, installing JBoss. I'll be using JBoss 7.4 and you can download the JBoss from official Red Hat website. I will show you how. Go to your browser, type JBoss 7.4 download. You will see official Red Hat site. Once the portal is up, log in with your credential. Once you logged in, go to download here. Select A to Z and just look for the keyword Red Hat JBoss EAP, Enterprise Application Platform. Okay. Here, once the page is loaded, select the version 7.4. You can select any version which you want to download, and under release you can see the JBoss Enterprise Platform 7.4. Here, download. Okay, it's downloading, and we are also applying the patch, so we will download one patch so that we can apply it. Under patches, you can see there are multiple patches for 7.4 version available. I will just download one simple patch 1. Yes, so I have already downloaded these two patches, JBoss 7.4.0 and 7.4.1 its patch. Okay, now we will install. So before installing JBoss, you should have JDK on your system so that JDK installer can run the JBoss. Right click on jar file, click OK. So here, installation path, we have to provide an installation path where we want to install JBoss. Click on next. Here it is asking to create a user to access the administrator console. I will give the password, username is admin. You have to note it down. Click on OK, click next, click next. Just follow the process as per installer. Yes, you can see installation is complete. Now we will start JBoss. Go to JBoss home where you have installed the JBoss. go to bin and open command prompt from this location and type standalone.bat -p is a broadcast address. Click enter. Now JBoss is starting. Okay, it is started. As you can see, I will access the portal. Yes, JBoss is now up and running. Administrator, the admin user which we have created. Yes, I have logged in with the admin user. Now we will verify JBoss version from version.txt. You can see it is 7.4.0. We can also verify this using JBoss CLI. Go to bin and type execute batch file JBoss CLI.batch. Press enter. You have entered in administrator console using CLI. Type command connect. You are connected to your admin console. Now type version and you can see currently 7.4.0 version is installed. So now we will manually apply the patch in JBoss. The binary which we have downloaded for patch is 7.4.1. We will apply this patch in our existing installed JBoss. Go to CLI, JBoss CLI and type command patch apply, and here after apply provide the path of your patch. Slash, and you can see JBoss 7.4.1 patch.zip. Click enter. It will take some time for install. Okay, you can see patch is applied. Now we will check the version. You can see version is not reflecting here. This is due to that this mentioned restart is required after applying the patch. Now we will restart the JBoss using JBoss CLI. You have to type a command shutdown restart true. As you can see, my JBoss service is running here. Once I type this command here, and you see your JBoss is restarting automatically from CLI. Yes, it is restarted. Command is also executed. Now I will check the version. You can see version updated 7.4.1. We will verify the same from JBoss installation home to version.txt. You can see 4.1 applied. This is how we have manually applied the JBoss patch. We have successfully applied a patch manually. Now we will roll back this patch, and after rollback we will reinstall this patch in automation manner. So to roll back your patch, go to JBoss CLI and type command patch rollback. Press tab, you will see the patch number, and under that you can see the reset configuration true, so that all the configuration will be reset. Press enter. Yes, we will check the version. It is not rollback for this, we have to reload our JVM, shut down, restart. It's restarting. Yes, restarted. Now we'll check the version. Yes, you can check. Patch has been rolled back. So we have applied the patch manually and roll back the patch manually. Now we will automate this process using Jenkins. Go to your Jenkins dashboard, click on new item, type job name, anything you want. I will say job JBoss patch. Select item, type pipeline and click OK. Directly go to pipeline and copy this pipeline script which I have mentioned in document. This document link I will share in video description. There are few modifications in script. Let's go one by one. In script, first we are setting environment variable JBossEAP path of a patch which we have downloaded. We have to mention JBoss home. This is the location where you have installed JBoss. Make sure to give double slash, as single slash doesn't work in Jenkins for Windows. And second, give the path of your patch. Okay. After that, we are doing the backup of existing JBoss, and then we are applying the patch. Now to update the path here also. After that, we are restarting the JBoss. Same path will be, as we are using JBoss CLI to applying the patch and restarting JBoss. You have to mention path till bin file. Okay, we have done necessary changes. Now click apply and save. Now we will execute our job. Click on build now. Build is scheduled. Okay, you can see job has started. Okay, files have copied, so means our backup stage have completed. Now it is applying patch. Okay, patch have been successfully applied. Now it is taking restart of JBoss. Restart is also completed, and as you can see, it is verifying the patch here. Updated 7.4.1 version have been updated, and job has successfully run. Yes, we will verify through command line. Okay, you can see previously I was getting 7.4.0 after rollback in the patch. Now running the job from Jenkins, You can see setpoint 4.1 is shown. We'll verify if console is working. Yes, console is working fine. So in this step we have created a backup of existing JBoss file. We will verify the backup also. You can see backup was been taken, which is 7.4.0, and after a patch apply version is 7.4.1. We have applied the patch, JBoss restart and version file updated. In this tutorial, we learned how to automate JBoss patching using Jenkins. We have covered installing JBoss and setting up an admin user, manually applying a patch using JBoss CLI, creating a Jenkins pipeline to automate patching and restart JBoss, verifying the patch. By automating this process, you can save time, reduce the error and improve efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on what DevOps topic you would like to see next. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next tutorial.